Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your favorite Nigerian boy, the Black Dotun NSL. You are all welcome guys. And if this is your first time here on this channel, you are welcome. Be sure to be part of this beautiful family by hitting on that red subscribe button, guys. And in this video guys, I try to show you the newly renovated road, moniya to Iseyin road, moniya Ibadan to Iseyin, guys. And this is what the road looks like right now. And this road has already been commissioned by the Oyo State Governor Iseyin Makinde, with Benue State Governor Dr. Samuel Hartom. He was invited to be part of the celebration because this road is already been commissioned, guys. So that is why I try to bring you this video, guys, because I'm all about the construction, architectures, and all this, guys. So make sure you support my channel, guys, by sharing and liking my videos, subscribe, comments. Let me know your thoughts, guys, and hope you're gonna enjoy this video. There are more to this video, so be sure to sit down and watch and relax, guys. Let me know your let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, so we can know what you really think about this. Thank you. This newly renovated road is a 65-kilometer long road, guys, and it connects Ibadan with the Okeogun. Okeogun is known to be the state's food basket. So actually, guys, it cost 9.9 billion naira to reconstruct this road. The first amount that was put down by the former government was 7 billion naira, but during the Sheyi time, the amount was upgraded to 9.9 billion. That was over 2.9 billion added to the initial fund to reconstruct this road, guys. So the Sheyi's time, it said they need more than 7 billion to reconstruct this road, and that's why 2.9 billion was added to the funds, guys. So, and this road is said to be strong and capable for over 10 years, guys. So let's see if this is if this will really work, and I hope it should, guys. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as well if you have not subscribed yet. I'm doing more content like this, guys, so make sure you share and like. Thank you.